Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase and install a eSIM for French Polynesia. This is very simply done, and what we're going to be using is the eSIM.app platform. So to be able to use it, you're going to open up the description of this video down below and open up the first link you're going to see, as this link is going to take you to the official eSIM platform right here from where we can get started. Make sure to stay by the end of the video, as we are also going to be showing you step by step how to install it. But once you open up the link from the description, it's going to take you to this page right here where we can go and take a look at the plans that are available to us. You're going to see unlimited plans and fixed plans. You're going to see that unlimited plans are usually the better offer, as you're going to have unlimited data for similar prices, so you can select whatever plan you want and go to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you can choose a payment method, let's say Apple Pay, and once you make the purchase successfully, we can get started following the step by step right here on how to install them. So it doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or Android, it's a pretty similar process. For iPhones, you're going to go into the iOS eSIM application, click to go to the eSIM page and tap the install button. So it's going to look like this. Once you click the install button, it's going to enable you to tap Add Cellular Plan, and this is going to enable you to follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to install it. And once you get to the finish page right here, it's going to look like this, where you're going to turn on these two options called data roaming and turn on this line. Once you turn on this, it's going to enable you to activate the eSIM, and it's going to be usable. So this is how it's done. What you can also do is install it using a QR code. So you can open up your device settings, tap on cellular, and to add a cellular plan, after which you can use the QR code option. So it's going to look like this. Click to add a data plan and then scan a QR code, and you can scan the QR code directly from the eSIM app, and this is how you can also install it. If you're on Android, it's pretty similar. What we can do is open up the application, go into the help page and click eSIM installation. From here, we can click the install button. Once you click the install button, you're going to be able to follow the rest of the steps right here that are shown on the screen, and once you finish the installation, you are going to be able to activate it just like on iPhone. There's also a second option on by scanning the QR code by going into your device settings, into the connections tab and the SIM card manager, where you can add a mobile plan using the QR code option, where as well you can scan the QR code from the application that you have purchased, and this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. Go down into the description of this video below, open up the first link you're going to see, and get started purchasing your eSIM today. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.